afternoon students. As you know, અહીંયા આપણે લેક્ચર વર્ડપ્રેસનો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ છીએ. એમાં આપણને wordpress.org છે, જેમાં આપણને આપણી વેબસાઇટ આપણે આ રીતે બનાવી શકશું. સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે અહીંયા જે છે એ તમે જોઈ શકો છો, આપણે આ wordpress.com સિલેક્ટ કરીશું. we will select here. Then after we will go for start your website. So here we click on it. First of all, you have to make user, right, in order to create a website. Here I will enter my email ID. Continue with Google. Right. Okay. Then after we go for next, you enter your password. Then after you say password is wrong, might be. Now we signed in. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to go for create user, right? So first of all we have to go for create. Let's click on start your website directly. Here we have to enter our password, your email address, then we have to choose username. We have to choose our password. Okay, then we go for create account. Okay, password. This username is not available. Okay, now we have created username, and here we logged in, right? Now we have to type here domain name. WordPress Omvvim. Okay, then here the possible username we have. Okay, here the possible names for the usernames as this, right? Okay, after that, which extension do we require? We don't go for it. Okay, here we have a free username, so we will select this. Okay, back. Here we have this, so we will select this. Start with a free site. Here you can see our site.